Hey guys, what's up? Long time no see. Finally back with a new video. Starting off this year's first video with a short tutorial. It's actually about a combination of sketch, a little bit of video editing for a cool idea. Well, I think it's cool. I don't know if it's cool, you let me know. An idea I got for a pair of sneakers that I recently received from the guys over at Monaco Ducks. So right now I'm filming with my phone, but I will switch lenses. Currently we have the 50mm one on the camera, and we will need this one here, which is the 24 to 17mm 2.8 G Master, and we will set up the shooting corner here. We've got our tripod. That's still an unopened Christmas present. Sorry about that. So we will arrange here the corner, and I'll guide you step by step. So in the meantime, I've already set up here what's gonna be the tripod. I'll be sitting here, and basically the idea is that if I turn the camera on, the idea is basically that you can see over my shoulder, and I'm sketching, or I have a sketch of the shoes done, and I swipe with my finger, the shoes land on the floor, and that's basically from sketch to reality. If I would have the time, I would do a sketch without the picture, but just for the purpose of the video, it's not about the sketch, it's about the transition from sketch to reality. So that's why I will cheat a little bit and sketch over a picture that I took from the shoes from a perspective that matches a little bit the setup of the camera. So I'll do that very quick, and then we will start filming, and let's see if it turns out or not. So here we have the picture I took with my phone. If you're wondering why is there a napkin underneath the sneakers, that's mainly because we don't like to wear the shoes we wear outside inside of our home. So it might be weird for some of you. We just like it clean, and this way our house or our home is clean, and we just use house shoes. So yeah, basically here's the picture I took with my phone. It's a similar angle or perspective as the setup of the camera we have on the tripod. So what we're gonna do is we already imported this picture into Procreate. I'm gonna take off a little bit of the opacity, and I'm just gonna draw on a new layer on top of it. So yeah, that's what we will do right now, and I'll speed up the process. So now comes the interesting part, because we will have to see how we animate, or how we can mask two videos where I swipe this sketch into reality. All right, let's go. So that's it, guys. Well, that's it for this part. I have absolutely no clue if it will work out or not. I have very little experience when it comes to rotoscoping objects on Premiere or After Effects. So basically, I would just try to mask both videos, but I'm not sure if it's going to work out or not. So I'll go to my laptop and I'll start editing so that I could maybe manage to post it today, but I'm not sure. So let's see. Hey guys, well finally I'm done with the edit. Basically, I had to mask my finger here from a clip, from a piece of the clip. Where's the mouse? Here it is. Following the mask follows basically my finger because I move it. I'm not a robot, it moves. So yeah, that's what took most of the time. So now I'm gonna export this this edit, and let's see how it turns out. All right, guys. Quick preview. I'll blend in obviously the video here, the final result here on this video, but that's it. Actually, it did turn out like I had it in mind. I am surprised about the results. It's not bad at all. I would change maybe a few things for the next one, but I'm definitely happy. So that's it for me today, guys. I will share this video tomorrow. So probably I will try to post, if I have the time, I will try to post both the reel with the end result and this video on YouTube with a short tutorial and behind the scenes, all on one day. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, tips, recommendations for next or new videos, please let me know. And until the next one, take care and stay safe. Bye.